Hi everybody, welcome back to part 2, or part 3 I should say. Welcome back to my channel. I did a feature reset now. The smoke generators are a lot more consistent with each other. They're all the same. So it is F20 for a feature reset on these. And if you do want to increase the smoke volume, it is F17, but you don't know where you are. You don't know if you're at high, medium, or low. Let's slow these down a bit here. So I think when you do a feature reset, it actually goes into medium mode. At least that way you know where you are. And I don't mind like the smoke volume now, it's pretty good. If you're medium, it just makes your smoke oil last longer. You don't have to fill it up as often as in high, obviously. Yeah, they're all much better now. I've never used that feature reset before. I think there's another one where you, on Broadway, you do set CV8 equal to 8. I've done that before on some misbehaving steam engines. MTH, it's F20 for the feature reset. I think also if you do a CV8 equal to 8, I think it also does a reset on some MTH. These are my favorite steam engines to video. Just the beautiful streamlined shapes, streamlined design. And the cab light, I just love the cab light too in these things. It's hard to see now with the sun shining in here. Yeah, smoke's coming out much better. Just the detail on these is so beautiful. The grab bars there, the wheels. I'm gonna stop it here, and we're gonna do a shutdown again. Well, actually, first let's do the whistle. And F3 to do the shutdown. All three in unison. Perfect. Perfect harmony. Nice. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.